Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 25th, 2022. I am going to give you all a price prediction for NEAR. Now, welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. To those who are interested in this protocol, NEAR, this is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. I come through and look at the price chart, try to pay attention to see what the money is trying to go so that you and I can both be in position and win in the market without the confusion. So if you guys want to join me, welcome to the team. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel because I want to make sure you all get to see somebody actually placing price predictions on a price chart so that we can be in position. You can see for yourself how you can win in the market and dominate. So now let's go ahead and talk about NEAR protocol first, because you guys can tell when I zoom out of this price chart that this particular cryptocurrency, it is in an uptrend, which is very positive because I know there's a lot of other altcoins in the market today that is not performing this good. So this is very good to see that NEAR protocol is actually in a very good uptrend. We need to continue to see this go on as we continue to go into the year of 2022 into 2023. So the first thing that we need to do is identify the trend. So let's go ahead and take this trend line and let's create it, because we all can see what the trend is trying to do, what the market is trying to do. What is it trying to tell us? Yeah, it's telling us that a majority of the people who are involved in NEAR really like the cryptocurrency. They really like where the market is trying to go, so they come in and buy it. Now, one thing I will give you is that we are breaking away from this trend that started back in July of last year. The market is breaking this trend. How? Well, take a look at this. The market in NEAR on March the 15th of this year started this massive uptrend. It broke away from the long-term trend which started in July. Price broke out. And now you guys can see that we are testing this near-term trend right now. So let me zoom in so you all can see it visually. Right here. The market here in NEAR is now testing this breakout trend. Okay. And it's not a very good sign. You guys can see that we are breaking the trend right now, which is a problem, at least in the near term. We want to see the price in NEAR at least close above this $15 level. We want to see that. And right now, by us being down 8%, it doesn't look likely that the market's going to close above $15 today, which makes us need to be prepared for the market to continue to go down. Yeah, I know you guys probably don't want to hear that, but guess what? Market goes up, market also goes down. And here's another thing why we can anticipate that price in NEAR is in a weakness phase. It's because it got rejected at $18. Look at all these trading days right here that the buyers tried to take the price above $18 here in NEAR, and it got rejected. So what does it mean? Well, it means that the sellers are here. It means that there's more selling going on around this $18 price level than there are buyers. That is why the price simply did not break above 18. That's another reason why we can anticipate that this price in NEAR is still weak. Yes, still weak. So let's see how we ended last week. Let's go ahead and see how the price chart for NEAR ended on the last week. And again, the last 3 weeks, I'm going to show it to you. This one, this weekly price bar, this second weekly price bar, even on this third one, all confirms that the price is weak, that the market is still anticipated to continue to dip, to go lower. Now, we need to identify how low can that be. And looking at this particular level already, I'm looking around $13. Okay, so we're around 78.5 cents away from us actually trying to anticipate the buyers come through to try to prop up the price. We need to find the zone, the price level that buyers are going to come through and try to hold price. And that first area is around 13. The second area is right here, around $12. I'm already showing you the price targets. And basically, by the last 3 consecutive weeks in NEAR, the market does look like it might surpass $13 to the downside. It may hit 12. Yeah, I'm just here to give you all the information as to where I'm suspecting price to go. This is NEAR on the 2 weeks. You guys can see it for yourself. I'm not here showing anything that's not available from anybody else who has access to a pricing chart. This is on the 2 weeks. This is NEAR on the 3 weeks. All right. And so far, it doesn't look positive. 5-week time frame. So if you're trying to time when to come in and purchase this cryptocurrency, the question that I'm going to pose to you is now the time to come in and buy it, or should we wait until price dips a little bit lower? Because the answer that I will provide is, yeah, we might want to wait until we see the buyers, until we see buyers come into the market. They will let us know when they're here. And so far, looking at these marks on these very long-term time frames, we do not see it. This is near on the 5 days. So we got what, 14 hours and 10 minutes left, and we are still seeing weakness. We do not want to see this at the conclusion in the next 14 hours. We don't want to see that price bar. Near on the 3-day. 2-day. So let me hit this back over on the daily time frame. And like I said, I'm looking for the price in near to go down. Okay, I am. And $13 is the first price target for us to see the buyers. And when I say price target, this is where we want to skim off, take off a little of our position, or take all of it off so that we can grab 6.02% right there, around 13. Second level, it's going to be around 12, which gives us around 13.25% profitability. All right. Now the restriction area that I'm seeing is already here around 15. Now, let's say that the buyers do try to come into the market in near, I'm going to bring it around $16 because I want us to give us a cushion, right? I want us to allow the buyers to try to act like they're going to bring price higher, but then they fail at 15 and bring price right back down to our price targets, which is 13, 12, and then ultimately, which I really don't see this right now, but I'll bring it down to around 11, which brings us to this long-term trend. Keep your eyes open for the trend in the market for near. Okay, and that's it. It wasn't hard, it wasn't complicated, and all we have to do now is simply sit back, relax, and let the market trade. Now we'll come back in, peek in every once in a while to see how the market price movement has been going. Is it still going in our direction or is not? Because if it's not, then we'll cut it. Yeah, we'll let it go, because every price prediction is not going to be 100% correct. I know that, and you should know that as well. But hey, this is what's on the chart right now. So let's see what happens. And while I'm here, the comment section for this video is open, and I leave it open because I want you all to drop your price target, your price prediction in the market for near. Try it yourself. We'll see which one is right. You guys can see what I'm thinking the price is going to do. And now I want you all to leave me a comment so I can see what you all think. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.